Hey everyone, we are back from Oshkosh 2019 and getting back settled into the house. We have our dogs back from the kennel. It was so much fun. In case you couldn't tell from the other videos I posted, it was really fun. We were having a really good time. I have so much footage and photos. It's gonna take me a while, but I'm gonna try and get all those up as fast as I can. If you have any particular questions or things you'd like to know about Oshkosh or our experience, let me know in the comments below and I will try and get all those questions answered or include them in our videos. It was so fun. Just in general, I mean, everything, if you like anything about planes or aviation, you have to go to Oshkosh. It's incredible. But it was really fun going this year as a builder because we found so many really fun other folks who either were building their first plane or were thinking about building an RV or had already done an RV and are building more, and everyone was just really friendly. It was such a great, like, tight-knit community, it seems, with the RV builders, and we exchanged phone numbers with a bunch of people, met some really cool other women who are building. I met Christy from Temple, who's building it with her husband and her son. I met Lindsay from up in Detroit, who's building with her boyfriend. You guys are awesome. It was really great to meet you, and I hope we get to keep in touch. And then outside of that, I mean, just all the other experiences, like the different workshops and the guest speakers. Hopefully you saw the Mike Patey video. That was really fun for me to get to talk to him. His enthusiasm and energy is just absolutely infectious. It's incredible, and he's just as nice in real life as he looked in all of his videos. We got to meet Steven from Flight Shops. There might be something in the works there. It's way too early to say anything, but if it comes together, I'll keep you posted. And totally random, we ran into Ed and Colleen from Good Plane Living while we were checking out the booth for zip tips for our wings. Just the nicest people, and they have such cute kids. They're great, they're awesome, and it was just really funny to, this wasn't a meet and greet or anything. This was just randomly, we were all there at the zip tips booth. So that's just what's so fun about Oshkosh, all the different people you meet and the connections, and everybody loves all things aviation. I learned about the Women in Aviation group over there and got some information. I'm thinking of joining that. And also I learned some more about the 99s, which are for women pilots, which I'm not yet, but we'll have more on that possibly later. Spoiler alert. And yeah, it was just, and then of course, I mean, all the air shows and the static displays and the warbirds. I mean, just everything. Just really nice. And I'm going to try and get all those videos out as fast as I can. The other thing is I know I'm way behind on my build videos, because I think the last one I did showed us completing the vertical stabilizer, and now we're actually about halfway through the horizontal stabilizer. So I'm new at this. I'm trying. I will try to do better about getting them out faster and get caught up with where we currently are. Yeah, it was fun. It was great. Still kind of coming down off the buzz. Really excited. Already looking forward to next year. And looking forward to sharing everything with you guys. So if you like my videos and you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications. Like my videos if you do. If not, let me know what you'd like me to do differently. And I will try and get a new video up for you guys shortly.